Hello and welcome to my messy bench. Today I'm working on the heater box, heater core for my 1969 Dodge Charger. I got this Detroit Muscle Technology um, foam padding kit just to redo the entire thing. When I took it out, it was all full of rust and it needed a little bit of an upgrade. So all the foam was deteriorated, the rust was there. It took me a while to get my sandblaster working again, but when it did, it went very quick. Repainted everything, put a coat of stuff on it, and put the foam on this stuff. And as you can see, it looks pretty decent. Nobody's ever really going to see this stuff, but anyway, it's going to probably help prevent it from rusting again for a long time. Heater core I got from Car ID for like $70, and it's brand new aluminum. It's pretty nice. I'm going to make another video to show you guys exactly how I put this box back in. And because taking it out was actually kind of a breeze. I just took out the glove box. It was 3 bolts in the inside of the engine bay. You had to take off the cables that hooked up to the vents, and 1 bolt, I think, that was on the inside that was holding it up, and boop, popped right out. So yeah, also the little foam, these little guys right here, they're kind of stuck in there and just kind of fused to the metal after being in there for 50 some odd years. And you just had to give it a good pull and they separated. But I also, the box itself is fiberglass. And once it was cleaned up, it was kind of a brown fiberglass. So I painted the most visible parts so that it looks black and matches the rest of the interior. And once it's in, you'll kind of see what I'm working with. So I'm going to take some before and after pictures and let you guys know how this turns out. So keep your eyes open. I'm going to be coming up with some new stuff for my car. If you're into Mopar and the 69 Dodge Chargers, I'm going to be doing some stuff just so you can share it with people, and maybe they can learn something too. So anyway, that's all I got for right now, and I'll talk to you later. All right, limited visibility, but I'm going to try to put this in There's the heater box. There's where the heater core goes, the two holes right there. I'm going to try to throw it underneath here. So let's give it a whirl and see what happens. I don't know if you can see it or not, but we'll try. Alright, I'm partially there. So just right now, it's really close. Just got to get it up in there. It's going to take me just a second. It's a little finesse. And this was hard to get off with it on, so I'm going to have to put that back on when I get it up there. So I finally got the heater box in. And it took about an hour and a half of muscling it in there, but I finally got it in. Because you blindly, there's the rest of it, you blindly have to put these two in here, these two there, and this little guy right here. From the inside, you have to push and find those holes and have them all line up. So doing it by yourself was not fun. It was manipulate it and then anchor it with the strap inside and then see where you are from there. It just kept going backwards and forwards. That side would be in, this side would be out, and vice versa. It's just kind of a pain in the ass. And it's not that it's super heavy, it's just bulky, and working at a upside down on your back in a footwell was not easy. So it's in. And now I just got to put together the parts. Just the control arms and the hoses. And that part's done, and then on to the next part.